my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from the What Lace collection by Sensationnel. This is another Swiss lace wig, Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig in the color Flamboyage Sand. It is ZAILA, I believe, or ZAILA. I don't know how to pronounce it. Trust me, that is not why I'm on here. But all of the details will be in the description box, but if you want to know my full review on this hair, make sure that you keep watching. But before I get into this video, make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms. Babes, you would have saw this hair before it was sold out. You would have saw this hair before it was sold out. Follow me on Instagram for sure and TikTok, because that's where I like to post my hair as soon as I review it. And then also follow me on Twitter just to get my commentary and just, you know, just follow me on everything. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But after you do all those things, we're gonna hop into this review of this gorgeous blonde hair. All right, so this is the box that the wig came in. Again, this is like most wet lace wigs. Beautiful, plenty of lace. And, you know, look at that color. Look at those waves. Look at all that. Now, I'm just going to put my cream foundation, as you saw, all over the wig. I'm not even going to pluck it. I'm not going to do anything to the front of this hair. We're just going to work with what the Wet Lace collection gives us. Then that same color is going to go all over my wig cap. I personally feel like you do not have to do the bald cap method with synthetic wigs, but everyone is different. Okay, everyone's different. I feel like I can get away with murder when I wear a synthetic wig. So now I'm just putting it on my head, you guys, and whew, as soon as it went over that wig cap, I was like, oh, okay, this is looking good. Like, this is looking good. It was giving me Zelena vibes, and I was just so happy that I could find this in a longer style. So now I'm just cutting off the ear tabs. Y'all know the drill. Cut off the ear tabs, lay that hair down, and then the baby hairs. All right, so now I'm just going to put the wig glue all over my my wig cap and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once that's over, you just put it on. You only put on one layer of glue, and then you put your spray. So now I leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I take it off and cut the rest of the lace. So once you cut off the rest of the lace, that's when I like to work on my baby hair. Some people like to take their baby hairs out before that, but I like to wait until the wig is fully glued down. All right, so the next step that I'm about to do is my favorite, and that is the baby hairs. So right now you see I'm doing temple style baby hairs, which literally means I'm only having two on my temps, two on my temple, and I'm carving it out so it looks like it's curving into my hairline, and then I pluck it just a little bit. I twist it around to trim the excess hair to get it nice and short, and then I just swoop it back, which is pretty like self-explanatory, and I do that on both sides. So if that is a technique that you are interested in trying, I'm definitely like the one to recommend it because it's super easy for beginners. It looks really nice, and if your wig looks natural, like this is going to be a natural way to lay down your baby hairs. This next step, again, I would consider very important. Just add some concealer, whether it's a powder or a cream, to that part. It will definitely make it pop and make the wig look a little bit more natural. I mean, as natural as it's gonna get. And look at that. Like, it looks so neat. It looks so nice and seamless. I brush it out, make sure it's looking all good and stuff, you know, it's looking delicious. But just like that Zelena wig, this wig again is another 10 out of 10. I just love this color, particularly by What Lace collection, and the fact that they had it in a longer style. Oh, I was just so excited. And definitely I might be cutting this wig, so if you guys do want to see me cut and transform this wig, please let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so this is the final look. Again, y'all already know this color for me just does it, and I had to collaborate with What Lace collection again because I am just in love with this hair. It is a longer version of the Zelena, so if you weren't able to purchase Zelena, which is about 16 to 18 inches, this is for the girls that love long hair. This is about 24 inches long. It's beautiful. It looks wonderful on my skin, and I would give this a 10 out of 10. In my personal opinion, I would not wear this as a side part because it just doesn't give how it's supposed to give, at least for me. But I know everyone's different, so you can part this wig however you would like. I did a simple middle part with just two baby hairs on the side, and I mostly just used not Got To Be, but the Oars Fix It spray, so you do not have to lay this down super duper hard. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. The color is gorgeous. It's really full, and it looks gorgeous in person. So let me know if you guys want me to review different colors or styles by Sensational What Lace collection. And yeah, leave a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.